Hi guys, let me introduce myself. My name is K. Bhargav Reddy, BCom E-Commerce final year. In this video, I am going to explain about Ubuntu operating system. Hello guys, in this video, I am going to give you brief o- overview of operating system. So in this video is targeted to obligation of which are recently installed the Ubuntu and I want to know the thing works in Ubuntu. So let's start. So this is the window you log in to Ubuntu, and the first you will see here, this is called has the bar, and here you can find some of the pre-installed softwares like Microsoft Firefox browser, LibreOffice Writer, and Ubuntu Software Center. And this Ubuntu software was will be your destination to install software in Ubuntu. So let's start with the software of Ubuntu Center. Just click on Ubuntu Software Center and it will open the window and it will give you the list of softwares you can download for Ubuntu becomes which using install Ubuntu. It it does come will be all software will install. You need to install each and every new software by using self. So for example, when you want to play some videos you need to install VLC. So just go to the search and write VLC and you will see here VLC player written. Right now I have to install VLC. So I can see install player, but if you are a new and freshly installed Ubuntu, you can see the installation option. So just type in your that software will you need and the just you will need not to install Ubuntu. For example, I want to install Genie. Idea of just select this or you can see here uh, install button, and when you press this install you will be installed in your system. For example, installing Genie my I password, just give password and now I will be started installation. So it will be installed. You can find the software your dash home. Once it is installed you will see in dash home. Go to dash home and click here. You can see the software you are installed of Genie, and you can search your software you are installed. Before, so we installed Genie. So just search Genie. If you shown that result here, so you can see the Genie here. You will, and when you see frequently when to use this, just click on drag into the bar here. So this is the way you can find many good softwares, and they are mostly free cost because Ubuntu is the free. So most of the softwares you can install free, but some of the cost of the little where we have to only cost like they are the freely like this you can see here. Now free all the softwares which are no which the software using Ubuntu need not to deals with technical. This is the terminal. So so first so the first time good into the Ubuntu, go to dash home and start terminal. You need to click on and drag and drop the terminal. This terminal will help you for many things. It will be install the softwares to navigate all the direction directory. So basically, when whatever you can do do use Ubuntu softwares the center. Find out install the software you can install it, which is the terminal. So just how you can use this the terminal. The- to install how are you can make out this is the button shutdown. This button shutdown. Mm, log out, lock screen. This is the simple software must control volume with battery message and other things. Now if you want to see this the properties is like you can see in whole parallel. You can just go to this button one again and you open out our system. You can set appearance like this or you can set the keyboard brightness, languages, supports and other things. So the network settings and accept the network settings details of the software. You have you have when you click it you can see right now. I have opened Ubuntu 12.04 LTS 64 bits. So just you want to see some details of OS of a computer. Go to details, time and date, settings, user account. So I have to open many things instantly. So just play with these colors, displays, keyboard, mouse, and this will be also very help you first. Now instead of Microsoft Office, which is we used Windows, Ubuntu. Ubuntu has LibreOffice Writer. So the LibreOffice Writer like alternative of like Microsoft Word. Okay, you have to open it and LibreOffice and see the which is Excel software, and you can install many other things from the software. The center of Excel, the power, and you can install many other things. Software center and install Chrome web browser from here. My software center, just type whatever you want. Have the scene you can see here web browser to install on the Google Chrome. Uh, you can install the Google Chrome. You can search for the softwares, and there is a root folder like we have the Windows shift directly. Ubuntu doesn't have this root folder. So go to root folder. We need to do is once again go ahead, click home and click the small button on the left side of the home. When you click this once again you can see many folders. This is the basics where all the softwares Ubuntu operating system and using many which is related to install all softwares are here. When when we install software, probably go to user local bin. Finally you will go to here. This is the this is the file system and the pictures, videos and other here. And there is a recycle bin also can see. This recycle bin, whatever folders, files you have deleted, you can go to you can see in the recycle bin and find. And this is the little overview of the Ubuntu operating system. VLC. Next. In this video, I will going to show the install VLC. How to install VLC? Let's click on the applications and open the terminals. Let's see. The first thing we need to do is get sudo apt get updates. When you give the command, it will ask the password and give the password, and it will show that all, and it will take some minutes to be done. Then next sudo get install VLC. Give the command and it will be appear like this. Next, it will give a message that do you want to continue, and it will appear like this, and it will be take some minutes on your browsing speed, and it will be installed. And okay, it will be installed and it's done. When it is done, it will be finded application sounded video. VLC will be applicable for here. Just uh, uh, just wait few 1 more minutes. Okay, few minutes. Okay, let's wait. Okay, that VLC has done, and we have to check good application sounds, and yeah, it will appear VLC. Messaging, text messaging for client empathy. You can launch the empathy instant messaging by going the app internet messaging. When you launch empathy for the first time, you will be greeted by the clicking by the forward. Click by the forward. Open the chat of the Facebook chat. Use the username and password. After that, email and password. After that, giving to the S. I have the other chat accounts to set. There are many other chat accounts beside like Facebook, Google Dot, in IRC, MSN, Surface, etc. I was set up as Google Dot. Next, email address and password, google.com. That I am going to set up today. There are no more accounts to set up. The next screen is, so you can search a name is all your contacts listed from the window. I'll set one to I am contacts. Next, hi. You can type the chat.